Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use Claude Opus 4.8 for free. You can also use latest and trendy models. Now let's start the setup. Open web browser, go to search, type genspark.ai, hit enter, click on first link. Genspark, your all-in-one AI workspace. Now Genspark official website is open. Click on sign in. You can see the login options. Continue with Google. Continue with Apple. I'm going to log on through Google. Now as you can see, I'm logged in as Google account. Click on new. Scroll down. Click AI chat under content creation. Click on model. Now you can see latest and trendy model here like ChatGPT 5.5, Claude Sonnet 5, Sonnet 4.6, Claude Opus 4.8. You can pick any of these model on which you want to work upon. In my case, I will choose Claude Opus 4.8. Now I will show you the response. Type hi, hit enter. See the response. Hi there, how can I help you today? I am giving task to him. Provide hello world, web page, code using HTML. Hit enter. You can see the code here. So now let's talk about credits. Go to profile, see credits. Let's click on it. It provides 100 credit on daily basis, means 100 credits per day. One more things, if you want to change model, you can initiate new chat. In the current chat, you will not able to change model. Click new chat. Click on model. Pick any model. I will choose GPT 5.5 Pro. Type hi, hit enter. You can see the response. Genspark is one of the best website to work on any model to create projects. So guys, that's all in this video. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.